All right, so now that we have, let's see, now we have our sketch here. When our next logical step would be to extrude it. So click extrude, and notice that it's going in this direction here. If we look at our picture, we want the extrusion to go. Uh, this is the side that we drew first, so we want it to go inward. We want to go in the opposite direction. So we need to go up here and change the direction to direction 2. And we want our distance, our extrusion, to be 14. Okay. Click OK. All right. And then let's go ahead and add a hole to it. Actually, let's go ahead and turn off. We want to turn off this work plane here. And oh, sorry, oops. We can right click on the work plane and then turn off visibility. All right. All right. So we want to add a hole to it, and so let's choose the hole feature. And we're going to use concentric, go down to concentric. And so the plane that we want first is this plane here. Left click on it. And so you see how the hole is off-centered, okay? So we haven't given it a concentric reference yet. So the concentric reference that we want is this edge. So left click there, puts it right in the center. And then make sure that this is through all. And let me see, the size of the hole that we want is going to be 8 millimeters. There we go. So click OK. All right. Okay, so we have this piece here built up, and so we want to duplicate that piece. And so by now you've probably guessed it that I'm going to use the mirror feature. Okay, since we already have this plane here that's going down the exact middle of our part, I can use this plane as my mirror. So let's go up to the mirror feature, and the features that I want to mirror, it's this hole here and this whole part. And here's a little shortcut. If you come over here and if you look for if you notice in the browser, as you highlight over stuff, it highlights, it's highlighting in the drawing window what you've done. If I left click on this, all right, it's selecting that feature at the same time because I'm in this mirror features. It's asking me to select what features do I want to mirror, and I also want the extrusion. And remember, inside the extrusion is the sketch. So this and the hole is going to be mirrored. If I don't select anything else, that's what's going to be duplicated on the opposite side here. And then now I want to select the plane that I want to use as a mirror, which is this one. All right. And so you see it took the hole, the sketch, and the extrusion. And click OK. And there you go. And let's go ahead and turn off this visibility of this sketch. And so there we are.